Achilles heel. Achilles heel. It is an idiom. It means a weakness or a vulnerable spot, the weakest point in one's character or nature, where it is easiest for other people to attack or criticize. In other words, it is an individual's weakness, something that other people can attack or take advantage of. So it is, in general, we can say it's a weakness or vulnerable spot on which others can attack. So how to pronounce this word? A is pronounced as A as in China. CH is pronounced as Ka as in kiss. I is pronounced as E as in it. E is pronounced as E as in peel. S is pronounced as Z as in zip. So finally it has to be pronounced as Achilles. So the stress is on key. So that is how it has to be pronounced. So let us see this idiom in the examples. The first one, the corrupt minister is regarded as the government's Achilles heel and is expected to resign. So the minister is the weakness for this government. Why? Because he is corrupted. That is the reason the opponents can attack on the government. So minister is the Achilles heel. So he is the weak point, vulnerable point for the government. The second one is Rani's stubbornness is her Achilles heel. She can't be polite. So what is the weakness of Rani? Stubbornness, rudeness. So it is her weakness. So her weakness is stubbornness. So it is her Achilles heel. So she cannot be polite. Third one is Ramesh's Achilles heel is stress. He just can't handle it. Again the same thing. Ramesh's weakness is stress. He can't handle it. So Ramesh's Achilles heel is stress. And the fourth example, English speaking has always been Achilles heel to many people in the world. So many people feel English speaking is very difficult and that is their weakness. So it is their Achilles heel. And the next one, though he was a good person, his short temper was his Achilles heel. So his weakness is his short temper. So it is his Achilles heel. So there is a story which is from Greek mythology, how this idiom has come into existence. So according to Greek mythologies, Achilles was a famous Greek warrior. As soon as he was born, his mother Thetis dipped him in the river Styx in order to make him invincible, that is immortal. Legends has told her that no harm would come to a person who had been dipped in that river. Unfortunately for Achilles, when his mother dipped him, she held him by the heel. As a result, the water never touched this portion of his foot. The heel became Achilles' weak spot, weak place. He died in the Trojan War when an arrow pierced this heel. So this is how the story came into existence and the idiom became alive today. So finally we understand Achilles heel is nothing but a weak or a vulnerable spot where the other people can attack easily.